Hello and welcome back again to the strokes tutorial. We're going to show you how to draw a puppy. So first of all, let's open up the file. And you'll come to a screen like this. So in my case, I already had the file on my local system, but you would find it in the Paintology collection. And so let's close this and let's run the strokes tutorial and let it complete to the end. So basically what this is doing is rendering the image, tutorial image for you to draw over. So as we can see, it's completing the rendering, and you will see on the front we have toggle button that takes you back to the video and back to this canvas again, and the slider button, which you've probably become familiar with now, which moves from your canvas all the way to the rendered image on the back. The idea behind this is that it will allow you to make similar drawings, as you can see here, and practice drawings over this, and so you get better and better in the art of drawing. So yeah, it's almost complete, and you can see it's one color. I picked a red color for this tutorial, and once it's done, take the timeline back to the stroke that you want to draw. Let's go back here. So we have the first eye here. So you can see if I move the slider up, the eye is actually on the image itself, and then lower down you have nothing there. So let's go over this. Remember, the color and the size of the brush has already been pre-selected. Okay, so that looks good enough. Let's see. This is the original image. This is mine. Okay, so let's move up to the next. Another one there. So we go ahead. Don't worry if it's offset. You're not trying to get it exactly right. You're just learning. The two dots. Yep, so let's have a look now. That's what it looks like originally. This is what it looks like, the one I have drawn. Okay, so let's carry on. And we have this little thing there. And then we have, let's draw the lines that we haven't done over it. You can take your time over this, of course, right? And then just to see how you're doing, you would go to the original and to the one that you did. Not bad. Okay, let's put it back in the middle. Continue what we're doing. So we got the nose here. And then we got the mouth. This, the back hind legs, the front legs, and then finally the rear back hind legs. So let's see how the whole thing looks. That's the original rendered image. That's the one I did. Not bad, I would say. So you can go and keep practicing like that. So watch out for more tutorials, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.